Have you ever seen an artwork that tricks your eyes into seeing movement or depth when there is none? This is the magic of op art or optical art, a movement that flourished in the 1960s. Today, let's dive into the world of optical illusion and discover how artists turn geometry into a mesmerizing visual experience. What is op art? Op art is an abstract art style that relies on geometric shape, constructing colors, and strategic patterns to create optical illusion. Unlike traditional art, which often focused on recognizable subjects, op art removes familiar objects in favor of pure visual experience. It plays with our perception, making still images appear to move, vibrate, or wrap. How does op art work? Op art works by exploiting how our eyes and brain process visual information by carefully arranging elements like color contrast, repetitive pattern, and precise line placement. Artists can create illusion of depth, movement, and even three-dimensionality. This technique tricks our brain into seeing things that aren't physically there. The psychology behind op art. The impact of op art isn't just aesthetic, it's psychological. Our brains are wired to interpret depth and motion, and when confronting with conflicting visual cues, they struggle to make sense of them. This leads to illusion of motion or shifting perspective, making op art an interactive experience rather than a static image. The emotion and symbolic impact. According to Adams 1994, when artists creatively use optical illusion, they can evoke emotion and metaphorically represent human experience. The tension, energy, and movement in op art can symbolize excitement, anxiety, or even chaos. Today, op art influence not only in painting but also fashion, graphic design, and architecture. Op art is more just than an aesthetic trend, it is a visual phenomenon that challenges how we see the world by manipulating shapes, colors, and lines. Artists invite us to engage with their work in a unique way, almost hypothetical way. Next time you see op art piece, take a moment to let your eyes wander. You might just discover something new.